4.8 billion email users, 2 billion emails sent every day. And yet, your emails are getting lost in the shuffle? No clicks, no sales, just crickets. Here's the deal. Email marketing is still the golden child of ROI. For every $1 spent, you could be getting $36 back. But here's the catch. It only works if your emails stand out. Sending emails isn't enough anymore. You need subject lines that demand attention, content that sparks action, and strategies that actually convert. At MarketinGear, we take your email marketing from meh to wow. We craft emails that don't get ignored, emails that are opened, read, and clicked. Our team creates campaigns tailored to your audience, delivering the right message at the right time, because your emails deserve to be more than just noise. Ready to stop blending in? Let MarketinGear turn your email marketing into a game changer. Don't let your audience scroll past. Let's get them to click. Visit MarketingGear.com to start your email marketing journey with MarketingGear.